My name is Serena DeBeer. I'm originally from the US, and I am currently the director of the Department of Inorganic Spectroscopy at the Max-Planck Institute for Chemical Energy Conversion. My group focuses on trying to understand catalysts and how they function on an atomic level. Catalysts are substances that are required to lower the activation barrier and make chemical transformations easier. We need this to happen to basically make products that touch nearly every aspect of our lives. But we don't understand how they actually work on a detailed atomic level, and we develop spectroscopic methods in order to understand this. CUBE is an ERC-funded synergy project that involves 4 PIs, 2 in Norway, 1 in Italy, and my team here in Germany. And the goal of CUBE is really to understand selective CH bond activation and how that happens at the biological limit versus the heterogeneous limit, and to use this information to design novel catalysts. What I really like about being at a Max-Planck Institute is that we are able to attract coworkers from all over the world. In my current group, my group members presently represent 14 different countries, and they all bring their unique perspectives and backgrounds, and it makes it a really interesting place to work. What I like most about living in Germany is that I feel there's a real appreciation for quality. And I see this in my coworkers really at every level, that they demand a high level of quality and rigor in all their work. But you also see this in your daily life in Germany. I love being able to go to the farmer's market on a Saturday morning, and you have wonderful fruits and vegetables from the local farm. And I think that's something that, for me, as an American, is something I really appreciate about Germany.